She abandoned her luxury car without a word and vanished. Days later, a mechanic discovered a hidden compartment packed with explosive secrets. What seemed like a routine repair quickly unraveled a billion-dollar conspiracy, proving that one honest decision can change countless lives forever. The morning began like any other at Carter Auto Repair, a modest garage tucked between aging warehouses on the edge of town. Tools rattled, engines hummed, and customers arrived with ordinary problems. For mechanic Ethan Carter, another long day of repairs awaited, unaware that one abandoned vehicle would transform lives forever unexpectedly. A sleek black luxury sedan rolled into the garage just before noon. The vehicle looked expensive, spotless, and far beyond the usual cars Ethan serviced. A sharply dressed woman stepped out, handed over the keys, and requested a complete inspection. Her voice sounded calm, yet something behind her eyes suggested worry. The woman introduced herself simply as Victoria. She explained that the car had developed unusual electrical problems. Sometimes the dashboard lights flickered. Sometimes the navigation system shut down without warning. She requested discretion, paid in advance, and promised to return within a few days. Then she disappeared completely afterward. Ethan began the inspection the next morning. At first, nothing seemed unusual. The engine performed perfectly. The transmission shifted smoothly. The electrical systems appeared intact. Yet intermittent failures rarely revealed themselves immediately. Determined to identify the issue, Ethan carefully dismantled panels and traced wires throughout the vehicle methodically. Hours passed without answers. Then he noticed something strange beneath the rear passenger seat. A panel appeared slightly loose, as though someone had removed and reattached it repeatedly. Curious, Ethan unscrewed the cover. Inside, hidden beneath insulation material, sat a small metal box secured with tape unexpectedly. The discovery puzzled him. Mechanics occasionally found forgotten belongings, but this felt different. The box contained no labels, no branding, and no obvious purpose. Ethan hesitated before opening it. When he finally lifted the lid, he found a collection of flash drives, handwritten notes, and sealed documents inside. At first glance, the contents meant little. Yet one folder bore the logo of a multinational technology corporation. Ethan recognized it instantly from television. Advertisements and financial news reports. It belonged to one of the largest companies in the country. The name of its chief executive stunned him completely. Victoria wasn't simply a customer. She was Victoria Langston, the famous CEO whose company dominated global technology markets. Newspapers regularly featured her accomplishments. Investors admired her leadership. Millions recognized her face. Suddenly, her request for discretion made perfect sense. Yet the hidden box raised alarming questions. Unexpectedly, Ethan considered calling immediately, but curiosity and concern lingered. Why would a powerful executive hide sensitive materials inside her vehicle? More importantly, why had she abandoned the car entirely? The circumstances felt increasingly suspicious. Something told him this wasn't merely a forgotten container. It represented something far larger. That evening, Ethan locked the box in his office safe. He searched recent news about Victoria Langston. Several articles mentioned corporate restructuring, boardroom disagreements, and rumors of internal investigations. Although journalists lacked details, speculation suggested tensions within the company. Reading those reports deepened Ethan's unease considerably that night. Days passed. Victoria never returned. Her phone number directed callers to voicemail. Emails remained unanswered. Ethan grew increasingly concerned. The vehicle occupied valuable workspace, yet he couldn't bring himself to treat it as abandoned property. Something about the hidden documents suggested urgency. Something wasn't right at all. On the fifth day, a black SUV arrived outside the garage. Two men in expensive suits entered and immediately asked about Victoria's vehicle. They identified themselves as corporate representatives. Their smiles appeared polite, but their eyes revealed impatience. They wanted the sedan released into their possession immediately today. Ethan requested authorization documents. The men exchanged glances before producing paperwork. Everything appeared legitimate. Yet when Ethan mentioned discovering a hidden compartment, their expressions changed instantly. The shift lasted only seconds, but it was enough. Suddenly, They became intensely interested in retrieving every item from the car. Years of mechanical work had taught Ethan to trust instincts. The men's reaction triggered every warning signal he possessed. He explained that company policy required the registered owner to collect personal belongings. Frustrated, they argued briefly before leaving. As their SUV disappeared, Ethan sensed genuine danger approaching. That night, he examined the documents more carefully. Most contained financial reports and internal communications. One handwritten note repeatedly referenced secret transactions involving company executives. Another flash drive contained spreadsheets detailing unexplained transfers worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Ethan wasn't a financial expert, but something seemed terribly wrong. The deeper he looked, the clearer the picture became. Someone within the corporation appeared to be diverting enormous sums through shell companies and fabricated contracts. Several names appeared repeatedly, including senior executives and board members. Strangely, Victoria's annotations highlighted suspicious entries, suggesting she had been investigating internally herself. Ethan realized Victoria might have uncovered a massive fraud scheme. If so, hiding evidence inside her vehicle suddenly made sense. The question remained, where was she now? Had she disappeared voluntarily, or had someone forced her into silence? The possibilities troubled him deeply throughout the following sleepless hours. The next morning brought another surprise. A young woman arrived carrying a leather briefcase. She introduced herself as Amelia Ross, an investigative journalist. She explained that Victoria had contacted her weeks earlier regarding corruption allegations. Then communication suddenly stopped. Amelia believed the CEO had encountered serious trouble unexpectedly. When Ethan described the mysterious box, Amelia listened carefully. Her face grew pale as she reviewed several documents. She confirmed that the information aligned with rumors circulating among financial reporters. Together, they concluded the evidence could expose one of the largest corporate scandals in recent history if verified. Before taking further action, they contacted authorities specializing in financial crimes. Investigators reviewed copies of the materials and quickly recognized their significance. Within days, formal inquiries began. Search warrants followed. Government agencies launched coordinated investigations into multiple executives. News organizations sensed major developments unfolding behind closed doors nationwide. Meanwhile, Ethan continued searching for Victoria. Although investigators focused on financial evidence, he couldn't ignore the human element. Somewhere, the woman who had hidden those documents remained missing. He remembered her worried expression and felt responsible for helping. The mystery had become intensely personal to him. A breakthrough arrived unexpectedly. Security footage from a highway service station captured Victoria days after leaving the sedan. She appeared distressed and traveled alone. Investigators traced her movements to a remote cabin owned by a former colleague. There they finally found her alive but deeply shaken. Victoria explained everything. After discovering evidence of widespread corruption, she realized powerful individuals within her company intended to destroy the investigation. Fearing surveillance and betrayal, she hid copies of critical documents inside her vehicle. She planned to retrieve them later, but was forced into hiding instead. She had trusted no one. Every advisor seemed compromised. Every communication felt vulnerable. Leaving the car at an ordinary repair shop had been a desperate decision. She hoped the vehicle would remain unnoticed until she could return safely. Instead, fate placed it in Ethan's capable hands. As investigations expanded, authorities uncovered exactly what Victoria suspected. Several executives had orchestrated a sophisticated fraud operation spanning years. Billions of dollars had moved through hidden channels. Investors, employees, and shareholders had been deceived systematically. The evidence from the hidden box proved instrumental in unraveling everything. Completely. News coverage exploded nationwide. Headlines praised the courageous CEO who refused to ignore corruption. Journalists highlighted the mechanic whose integrity preserved crucial evidence. Ethan suddenly found himself answering interview requests and television invitations. The attention felt overwhelming, but he remained focused on the truth rather than fame. Months later, criminal charges were filed against multiple individuals. Financial recoveries began. Corporate reforms followed. Victoria's company survived the crisis and emerged stronger than before. Transparency initiatives restored public confidence. Employees who feared uncertainty regained hope. What began as a hidden compartment transformed an entire organization permanently. Victoria never forgot Ethan's role. She visited the garage personally once the investigation concluded. Standing beside the same sedan that started everything, she thanked him sincerely. Had he surrendered the contents to the wrong people, the truth might never have emerged. His honesty changed countless futures. During their conversation, Ethan admitted he nearly ignored the discovery. Many people would have dismissed it as none of their business. Victoria smiled thoughtfully. She explained that history often turns on small decisions. Ordinary individuals frequently possess extraordinary power when they choose integrity over convenience. During difficult moments, inspired by the experience, Ethan expanded his business and launched apprenticeship programs for young mechanics. He emphasized technical skills alongside character and responsibility. Success, he taught, meant more than profit. It required doing the right thing when nobody watched. Students remembered those lessons long afterward. Victoria also transformed. The ordeal reinforced her belief that leadership demanded courage beyond boardrooms and financial statements. She became an advocate for corporate accountability, encouraging executives to confront wrongdoing regardless of personal risk. Her speeches resonated because they emerged from experience rather than theory alone afterward. Years later, people still discuss the remarkable story. A CEO abandoned her car at a repair shop. A mechanic discovered a hidden box. Together, they exposed corruption, protected truth, and changed countless lives. The event served as a powerful reminder that integrity remains society's most valuable currency. In the end, the greatest discovery wasn't the documents, the flash drives, or the evidence. It was the realization that courage can emerge from unexpected places. One worried executive and one honest mechanic proved that ordinary choices, guided by principle, possess the power to change everything forever.